All right, time for the August unboxing video. This is coming late in the month because we were in New York at the beginning of the month. So let's see what we got. And the first, the brand new Excess Energy drink, which is watermelon lemonade. I cannot wait to try this. Everybody tells me it is delicious. What else do we have? Make that too. We have Sweet Dreams Sleep Gummies. Love these. Delicious sleep gummies. Blueberry lavender flavor. Raise for Days watermelon orange flavored gummies. These are vitamin D supplements. G&H Nourish Hand Cream. My wife loves this. Reminds me, we have this over here. We have 2 body lotions. Now the reason my wife loves these is because when she was pregnant, this was the only brand she could use, because sometimes when women are pregnant, their sense of smell goes a little haywire, and because these are natural, she could use them easily. Coconut almond wellness bars. Delicious. Big fan of these. Second hand cream. Got a little mixed up in the shipping. We have the Satinique Revitalizing Mask. Wife is a big fan of this, uses these regularly. Next is pink grapefruit case of energy drinks. Personal favorite of the wife and mine. Access variety pack. Make that 2. Is that everything from box number 1? Yes, on to box number 2. Glister toothpaste. Satinique hair oil serum. This has become part of my wife's self-care. She loves this, she loves what it does for her hair. 2 cases of the Neutralite twist tubes of the Immunity Health Kiwi Strawberry flavor. We go through these like crazy. Delicious. Last but not least, we have a case from Artistry. And what we have the mask sample pack, 5 different kinds in here. And the polishing mask that my wife will use for herself. Big fan of that. And there you have it. That's everything we got. But you never know. Might want to order some more later.